Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we create this model in FreeCAD. Okay, now let's analyze a feature of this model. And let's have a look at this model. It's basically one of these. It's a body profile. Then the stretched height is 26. There's a boss in there. A boss of a cylinder. 30 for cylindrical boss. Then add these two holes. Okay, let's take a look directly in the software. First, we create a body. Then create a sketch. We choose the XY plane. First, we create an outline like this. Why wasn't the radius marked just now? Then this distance is 5,459.4. The distance between these two points. I am 9.4. Then we select the bottom half of the arc. Turn it into a reference line. And then we draw those three straight lines. We use a continuous dotted line. Then let's restrain them. These two are a vertical relationship. We size it. We are from this point to this distance. 56. This angle. 30. That's it. Sketches are all constrained. We do it directly. Exit sketch. And then we selected this sketch. We just stretch it out. His height is 26. Here we give him 26. Look at a shape like 26. Okay. Then we are here. We don't need to cut him like this. We use a clever approach. To build it, here is one way we use a front of the car. Let's see here, the radius is 34. The radius here is 24, so it should be 5 millimeters thick. Well, the thickness here is 12. Okay. So we know. We choose two sides, this side and this side. Press and hold the Ctrl key to add to faces. Then we use this shell command. Here we are giving a 5. Take a look, it's a go in. Let's take a look at the reverse. Just take a look at this sketch. Direction is right. Sketch outline we can observe. This is 5. The one we were talking about just now is 12. So I'm going to give him this face. Why are there rounded corners here? I don't need rounded corners, okay? I'll go back and edit it. Don't arc. Direct intersection. Okay, don't make arcs directly. Transition here. Okay. The one we were talking about just now is wall 12. Thickness. After we draw the shell, here is 5. So we're going to take this whole face, lift it up 5 millimeters. So we chose it. Then stretch directly. Directly stretch out a size like 12 minus 5. Okay. And there it is. Then the next step, we create this cylinder. One dimension of this cylinder is 34 in diameter. So we create this circle. We still select the XY plane. We can't observe the coordinate system behind this part. So we must click here this me. We observe the back like this. We directly build a. Mark one of its dimensions 34. Oh, done. Then we stretch directly. This distance is 42. Let's take a look at 4,242 here. Okay. Then we create these 3 holes 122,812. Still choose to create sketches. Still choose the XY plane. Then we click. Here you can observe a situation on the back. Use a circle. Here is also a circle. And then there's a circle. 3 circles, both of which are a size of 12. We bind it to be equal. Then mark the distance from us. Here to the middle. Here is 59.4. Then this diameter is a 28. This diameter is 12. We need to bind this to the circle. Well, let's create a straight line here. Then constrain. This straight line and this edge line are parallel. So we're going to refer to this side line here. Choose it. Then choose to constrain it to be parallel. We then turn that line into a reference. That's it. Then we mark the distance of this. 36. That's it. We are done. And then we use stretch excision material. We use through. Then reverse. Let's take a look. Here it comes. Okay, last step. We use a stretch. Cut that out for him. We choose this side directly, then create a sketch. Then we use a rectangle. Directly like this. Here we refer to this preparation. We do not observe the edge of this reference, so we'll order this. Then we constrain this edge to this point. That's it. We exit the sketch. We stretch it and cut away the material. We are in the opposite direction. Then pass all. Okay. Is that so? And he built it very quickly. Okay, here's a little something else. Let's give it to him. It's going to be a little stretch here. No way. There's still a little left here. And there's a quick reference here to the sideline. Then we contact material, reverse, through confirmation. So a model of the hole is constructed. Let's change its color. We select the last command, then select here. Let it change its own color. Okay, so here's the model. We built it very quickly. We used clever use of a shell pumping command. Build it. rather than requiring too much. Build this contour here to build. It's actually relatively simple, but we can do it in other ways. Methods to build models. Let's try more. Okay, well, thanks for watching. Thank you very much.